Palletizing is a vital part of your production. That's why keeping your palletizing process organized, protected, and ready for change isn't just nice to have, it's essential. That's where MyRobot.cloud comes in, your cloud-based companion for smarter palletizing with Palli. With MyRobot.cloud, you can back up your robot setups and keep track of everything connected to your palletizer. Technical specifications, important documents, products, and palletizing patterns, all in one place. Every setting and every pattern for every robot, stored safely in the cloud. So if something goes wrong, you can recover quickly and keep production moving. When production changes, you can create and manage new products and patterns in minutes. The interface is designed for operators, not programmers, so anyone can make adjustments quickly and confidently with no need for engineering or downtime. Before adding a new pattern to your palletizer, use MyRobot.cloud's simulation tool to make sure it's ready for the real world. Test how it will run on your setup, check if speed and performance targets are met, and review a full operational report, all without stopping production. Thanks to MyRobot.cloud and Palli, changeovers happen faster, with fewer surprises, and no extra cost. And whether you have one palletizer or many, MyRobot.cloud helps you keep everything organized. Start your trial today, and let MyRobot.cloud and Palli do the heavy lifting. Rocketfarm, cobot palletizing made easy.